Teledyne FLIR's First Look 125 is a small, unmanned ground robot built to check dangerous areas before soldiers move in. In modern combat zones filled with hidden risks, this compact system helps keep personnel out of harm's way. Lightweight and easy to deploy, it can be thrown into buildings, tunnels, or tight spaces to send back live video, thermal images, and audio. Designed for tough conditions, the robot can survive drops, climb over obstacles, roll across rubble, and maneuver through complex indoor layouts using its tracked drive system. It operates through secure communications and does not rely heavily on traditional navigation signals. By gathering critical intelligence from a safe distance, First Look 125 enhances situational awareness and makes reconnaissance missions safer and more effective. The Boeing CH-47F Block II Chinook is the newest version of the well-known heavy-lift helicopter, built to handle the demands of modern military missions. Keeping its signature tandem rotor design, this upgraded model includes stronger structural components, an improved drivetrain, and redesigned fuel tanks. These changes allow it to carry heavier loads and fly longer distances without refueling. The aircraft also features a modern avionics system that makes future upgrades easier and supports new mission technologies. Planned improvements include advanced digital flight controls and better integration with autonomous systems, increasing performance and crew awareness. The CH-47F Block II can carry troops, transport cargo, conduct medical evacuations, support disaster relief, and assist special operations. Combining proven reliability with updated technology, it remains a key asset for armed forces around the world. HESCO RAID is a fast barrier deployment system designed to help military units set up protection quickly during operations. In modern missions, speed and safety are critical, and RAID allows engineers to build defensive walls with less manpower and time. Instead of placing barriers one by one, the system stores connected HESCO units inside a special container mounted on a vehicle. As the vehicle moves forward, the barriers unfold in a continuous line, forming an instant protective wall. Once in place, the barriers are filled with locally available materials, like sand or soil, to create strong fortifications. RAID reduces workload, simplifies transport, and speeds up construction during rapid deployments. Its flexible setup allows troops to shape defenses based on terrain and mission needs, making it ideal for temporary bases and forward positions. ST Engineering's GDAMS is built to give modern armies fast, accurate, and flexible indirect fire support. As battlefields become more mobile and connected, forces need systems that can move quickly and respond just as fast. GDAMS is a ground-based advanced mortar system that can be mounted on different wheeled military vehicles, making it highly adaptable during rapid operations. It features a digital fire control system that simplifies targeting, calculates firing data, and speeds up mission execution. The system also links with battlefield management networks, improving teamwork and coordination between units. Designed for quick setup, GDAMS reduces the time needed to stop, fire, and move again. A blast mitigation device lowers noise and pressure, enhancing crew safety. It also supports standard 81mm mortars, allowing upgrades without replacing existing weapons. Teledyne FLIR's Black Recon is built to improve battlefield awareness while keeping soldiers safe inside their vehicles. As modern missions demand constant intelligence, this autonomous micro-drone system provides reliable aerial surveillance without exposing operators to danger. Integrated directly into a vehicle, Black Recon can automatically launch, land, and recharge its drones. Multiple drones can rotate between flights, ensuring steady coverage with very little manual control. Each drone carries out scouting, monitoring, and target tracking tasks before returning to its docking station for a battery swap and the next mission. The system can operate even in areas where GPS is blocked, using advanced onboard navigation for accurate movement. Equipped with thermal and daylight cameras, it works effectively both day and night, delivering continuous, real-time situational awareness. Shield AI's VBAT Plus is a versatile unmanned aircraft built for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting missions. Its vertical takeoff and landing capability means it doesn't need a runway, allowing it to operate from ship decks, small outposts, or rough terrain. Unlike many drones, the VBAT Plus blends the long endurance of a fixed-wing aircraft with the flexibility of vertical flight. This design supports longer missions while carrying a variety of sensor payloads. Its ducted fan system increases safety and improves performance in tight or demanding environments. Powered by a heavy fuel engine, it is designed for extended operations and can carry electro-optical, infrared, radar, and electronic warfare equipment. Advanced autonomous navigation allows it to keep flying even if GPS or communications are jammed or lost. The Odin 6x6 is a mobile counter-drone system created to deal with the rising danger of unmanned aerial threats on today's battlefield. Developed by EM&E Group and built on the Ferox 6x6 armored vehicle, it combines several defense tools into one powerful platform. Odin uses 3D radars to watch the sky constantly, while electro-optical and infrared sensors help spot and confirm targets. It also includes radio frequency detection gear to find drone signals and give operators a clearer picture of the threat. Once a drone is identified, the system can disrupt it with electronic jamming or destroy it using a remote weapon station with programmable airburst rounds. By combining both non-lethal and lethal responses, Odin gives troops in key sites stronger protection against fast-changing aerial attacks. The Meller-Skilt CUAV system is designed to protect military vehicles from the growing threat of small drones on today's battlefield. As fast, low-cost drones like FPVs and loitering munitions become more common, armies need reliable close-range protection. Skilt is a vehicle-mounted defense system built to stop hostile drones just moments before impact. Unlike traditional air defense systems that target threats from far away, Skilt focuses on short-distance interception. It offers full 360-degree coverage, guarding against attacks from all directions, even from above. The system can be operated manually with radar and optical sensors or function automatically, depending on mission needs. It also uses standard, widely available ammunition, making resupply easier. Designed mainly for land vehicles, it also has potential for naval and airborne use. Lockheed Martin's Lamprey multi-mission autonomous undersea vehicle is a next-generation system designed to strengthen naval operations with advanced independence and mission flexibility. It can attach to ships or submarines during transit, conserving power and extending its operational range. Since released, it operates on its own to carry out a variety of underwater tasks. Lamprey can handle intelligence gathering, surveillance, reconnaissance, seabed missions, and specialized payload deployment. Its modular design allows different tools and equipment to be added based on mission needs, making it highly adaptable. The vehicle can also team with other unmanned systems and support electronic warfare, decoy operations, and targeting missions. By combining long endurance, autonomous control, and multi-role capability, Lamprey reflects the expanding role of unmanned technology in future maritime security operations. Elbit Systems FireTrap-X is an advanced acoustic detection system built to spot threats quickly and give troops early warning. Instead of relying only on cameras or visual contact, it uses a network of sensitive sound sensors to monitor the battlefield. These sensors pick up and analyze noises such as gunshots, mortar fire, and other hostile activity. Once a threat is detected, the system calculates its location and instantly shares the information with commanders and frontline units. FireTrap-X works effectively in difficult conditions, including urban areas, rough terrain, or poor weather, where visibility may be limited. Its automated analysis shortens reaction time and helps leaders make faster, better decisions. By turning sound into real-time tactical data, FireTrap-X strengthens force protection and improves overall battlefield awareness.